Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are talking about how to prepare your iPhone for the upcoming iOS 19 update. Now, updating your iPhone is exciting, but if you don't prepare your iPhone properly, it could lead to issues like data loss, installation errors, even performance drops. So in this video, I'll guide you through 8 essential steps to ensure your iPhone is ready for iOS 19. Let's get started. First of all, check your battery level and battery health. As you guys can see here, jump to iPhone settings and you can see here my phone's battery level is 100% and right now it's 55% charged. So first let's make sure your iPhone battery is in good shape and it should be charged. Also, before installing the update, make sure your iPhone is charged at least 50% or keep it plugged in during the installation. Recommended is 80%. Now the second thing is storage. Jump to general and in this general section you will see iPhone storage. Make sure your iPhone have at least 30% of your iPhone storage space. Let's say if your iPhone is base variant like mine 128 gigs, make sure you have 30 GB enough free space for the storage update. If you don't have iCloud storage, you can use iTunes or 3 tools to create a full backup on your computer. Just make sure to encrypt the backup to include password and health data. It's all up to you if you want to encrypt that backup or no. So, step 4 is update all apps. Outdated apps may not work well with iOS 19. To do update them, go to App Store, jump to your profile section here in today's section, click on that and just swipe down and you will see update 14 apps. You will see updates for all the applications. Now the fifth thing is remove beta profiles. If you are installing any beta updates, of course you're gonna notice any bugs. So if you want to install iOS 19 beta, you have to jump to general section here in the software update section, click on beta updates and you have to select iOS 18 developer beta. After the June WWDC, you will see iOS 19 developer beta here in the space of iOS 18 developer beta. So the sixth thing is check your iPhone's network. Make sure you use stable Wi-Fi connection. Don't use your data connection, otherwise you will find the data charges a lot, right? If you exceed the data limit. So make sure you're using the proper internet connection which don't interrupt the installation of the update. Clean your device. Take a moment to clean up temporary files or junk on your phone. If you don't need some applications, delete it so that you can free up space, and clear the browser's cache so that you can use any trusted application if you find so. But that was it. So make sure you know your Apple ID password before doing anything with your iPhone software. If you don't remember your iPhone's password, make sure you forget it and just recover the iPhone password and renew it, so that if after the update if iPhone asks so for the Apple ID password, you know what it is. So this was it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Let me know in the comment section that how was it, and yeah, this was it for much. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.